second stop on this boat tour. The first one was Witch's Gulch. Now we're at Standing Rock. So this is the next little hike. It's a C-shaped hike. Enjoy.
Welcome to Stand Rock. This is rock formation over here on our left. She stands at 47 feet tall. That top flatter bit you see is about 20 feet by 12 feet, and the gap that you see is about 5.5 feet. So this is what originally made the Dells famous, but it was made famous by Henry Hamilton Bennett, or H.H. Bennett. He's a landscape photographer in the area. Ken talked a bit about him earlier. He took a lot of those brown or sepia tone photos you can probably find throughout Wisconsin Dells. And he loved to take photos along the river. The only problem was back then photography was a little different. You had to sit still anywhere from 30 seconds to over a minute to get your photo to turn out. If anything moved, if you moved, it was going to be blurry. And this wasn't great for Bennett because he really wanted to capture things in motion. So he created his own camera called the Snapper. It was a cigar box, a couple of rubber bands, and it allowed him to take photos instantaneously. So he took his new camera up and down the Wisconsin photographing lumber raftsmen as well as wildlife. And then he got that perfect photo of a lumber raftsman throwing his rope right in midair. But when he showed this photo to people, they thought it was fake and staged. They said that rope was suspended by a wire. And this discouraged Bennett for a while till he found this rock formation here. So he climbed up onto the ledge behind you folks with his new camera, did what any good father would do. He sent his 14-year-old son, Ashley Bennett, to the far side, told him to jump. Now, he didn't get that photo on the first try and didn't quite get it on the second or even the third. It actually took him 17 tries to get this photo that you see here. This was taken back in 1886.
Oh my God.
So here at the boats, we like to have one of our jumping German shepherds recreate Ashley Bennett's famous leap. So if you folks have cameras or cellular devices, anything of the sort, and you want to capture this moment, go ahead, point it at the gap. He's going to jump to Stand Rock and back from Stand Rock. So a total of 2 jumps, no more, no less.
Doug, watch. Get him to watch.
Bubba, watch.
Whenever you're ready.
Bubba, watch.
Watch, Doug. It's a dog.
Look, Arthur.
Oh my God.
So that is Paul. He's one of our jumping German shepherds.
Yay!
Shadow.
He's like, give me a treat. Heck with it.
Oh, what a dog. He'll wave to you here in a second.
Woo!
Maybe.
He wants more.
Now, after Bennett showed this photo to people, though, they finally believed that he had made an instantaneous camera because obviously there's no way you could suspend a man in midair like that.